Well, good morning or evening, Williams, Philippines. It's about 7:45, Tuesday, July 22nd. Had a busy day. Uh, I've got an apartment. I went with the fully furnished one. I was doing the math, and up to 6 or 7 months, the costs actually save me money. So at 3 to 4 months, I'm definitely saving money by going a little higher. I don't get the furniture out of it or the appliances out of it, but then I don't have them to carry across to another island. So yay, no transporting that. I'm already going to have too much stuff. But in the process of it, I've been packing up. Oh, such fun. I'm tired of packing. Found a TSA notice. And I remember throwing something out, and I was wondering what it was, and I just threw it because I didn't think it was important. And then I got this one out of my other bag and realized, oh, that's what that was. Yeah. So I'm having such fun. Anyway, packing was, pretty much I've got most everything packed up, ready to go tomorrow morning. A few things out, but not much. And, sorry, tired. It's at the end of my day. Maybe trying to go to sleep here and hopefully sleep all night. But yes, I'll be getting moved over there tomorrow during the day, and what was 3 bags in a backpack became 3 bags and a backpack and a duffel bag and a laundry bag. Didn't realize how much compression I had on those things. Yeah. That, and I have bought a little bit of stuff here too. You know, it's like the little ice chest. So, more stuff. And I was looking over there at the mall across the street, thinking, well, I'm gonna need. They said they don't provide towels. Gonna have to get my own towels. So, yay. And I was thinking about buying towels so I could carry them all the way over there. When all the way over there, there's another mall right next to it in the general area. And I can get towels there and not have to tote them from here to there tomorrow. So, yay! And I still have laundry that needs to go. I picked up my laundry and another one to go. And yeah, it's like 33 cents a kilo. My first load was like 8 kilos. And that turned out about $5. Yeah. And that's to have somebody wash them, dry them, fold them, package them, and wait for me to come pick them up. I like this idea. I've been having to spend, $2 on a washer and have to spend all my time there. The ice just fell. I have to spend all my time there doing that. And this one here, I just walk by and drop it off and come back 2 days later and it's ready. Yeah. Need to get a basket or, another net bag for them, so I can have one that's here and one that's there, because they don't dump them out. They wash it right along with everything else that's in it, and then they fold it up, and usually they fold it up somewhere in the middle, from what I've noticed. Yeah, they're good at hiding them. So, you have to. You need to have two, so you can have one there and one here to get the new dirty clothes. Uh, but yeah, there's a couple things I need to pick up tomorrow after I get over there. So, and I'm going to carry my dirty laundry out from there and get it done over there, because yeah, I need to find where I can get my wash done. And I need to ask about where's the nearest market I can go to buy groceries. Crazy thing is, the week here cost me as much as the month there. Well, almost as much. One more day would put me over what the month cost over there will be. So yeah, I'm definitely ready to get off into the apartment. Tired though. Been doing a lot more walking. And my system is definitely telling me nasty stories about, you don't do this much stuff. And I need to get in touch with my cable company, because apparently they didn't get the message and they're trying to bill me for the next month. Yeah. I wonder how well they understand the odds of that happening are. Because I happen to know for a fact I haven't used any of their internet since before the end of the month. So, yeah. They're not going to get anything out of me if I can prevent it at all. So, that is what it is. But I now have an address for things. I have a phone number for things, and yeah. I just need to get myself installed over there and start doing things. Need to get over and find the what do you call it? The immigration place. Need to find it. I don't need to use it yet. Probably about a week from now, week and a half from now. Somewhere around 10 days to go before, and then be able to do something then to extend my visa. All I know is that, yeah, getting over here, getting set up is costly. Once I can get set up and start eating my own food again, cooking again, that'll be good. When I asked them how old the air conditioner was, they said 1 year. My thought was, times what? Yeah, we'll see. But yes, I'll be getting over there and tomorrow, trying to get the laundry figured out and hopefully find a spot to buy groceries. Some sort of a market. I know they're over there. It's just where. So I'll be figuring that one out. There's also the big Corbon. I don't know. I don't know what they call it for sure. But there's that market, and I'm going to try to go to it also sometime. Probably on the weekend. Yeah. It's supposed to be a big night when... I'm so sorry about that, folks. I am tired. Anyway, William Williams Philippines. Like, comment, subscribe. You do you. Figure it out. Your department, not mine. And, well, lots of food, lots of friends, lots of family, and again, more food. I'm fishing. Fish is out in the Philippines.